In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for storytelling. Now, if you want to create like a story or a short story, a fiction, nonfiction, doesn't matter. You can use Poppy AI to kind of brainstorm and start just everything. So how do we do this? First, of course, you need to open a new board. And this is, since I've written nonfiction and fiction before, this is pretty much a nice baseline to begin with, right? Especially if you're going to use AI to expedite everything. So you need a couple of groups here. So we created a few that we're going to connect to our Poppy chat, which is going to write for us. So first off is very important. Theme. What type of what's the theme of your book or the story that you want, right? Now, once you've decided that, you can go scour the internet for short stories or books that you can get in PDF or maybe or even videos about the said theme, right? You can go to YouTube and have stories from there and put everything in the theme group, right? So that Poppy Chat will know that, oh, this is going to be it's going to analyze that, oh, this is the type of theme we want, right? And afterwards you want genre. That it's different from theme, right? Genre, what is it? Is it fiction, nonfiction? Is it going to be comedy, adventure, epic, everything, right? And just put the genre here, right? Like examples. So for example, if you want to something like Lord of the Ring-esque, like epic fantasy, high fantasy, maybe put videos about Lord of the Rings, Game of Thrones, all those stuff, right? And then voice or tone. Now this is important, right? So you're gonna have your favorite authors, right? So for example, you want Gregory Maguire who created Wicked. So what you want to put here is if you have PDFs of his books, if you have audiobooks of his books, put it here. So why do you need these, right? Because you're going to prompt and have Poppy Chat be trained using these. So you're going to say something along the lines of, I want you to analyze and train on the contents of the theme group because I want to create a story with you, right? So after that, it's going to train itself. It's going to analyze the contents of this group. After that, you're going to say, next prompt, I want you to analyze the genre on the genre group, right? And then it's going to do that. So it's going to train itself using these. And then lastly, I want you to analyze the contents of the voice or tone group because that's how I want the narrative, the writing to be, or similar to that, right? And then once you have trained your Poppy Chat through everything, you can add more if you want. Now you can start. Let's create. You're just gonna break down your topic. You're just gonna prompt it every the construct, the outline of your story, and it's going to start writing for you. I want you to write after everything. I want you to write chapter 1 for me. It needs to be around 50,000 words, something like that, right? So that's how you do it. That's how you use Poppy AI for storytelling. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link on the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.